8 places to buy real wood indoor wall paneling online. Reclaimed wood indoor planks. Self-adhesive planks and their range of wood types make this a popular choice for wood wall panels. Reclaimed wood planks in addition to doors, flooring, and other custom wood products. Though Rockler's wood panel selection is limited, it does sell plywood sheets faced with hardwood veneers such as walnut, red oak, cherry, and maple. The company offers wall panels in wood and other materials, such as glass. Their vast selection of imported real wood veneer panels includes everything from ebony to teak used for commercial and residential interiors. A large selection of wood paneling from a variety of suppliers can be ordered online from Home Depot. Options range from rustic pine that can be glued onto the wall to reclaimed teak wood. Allwood Industrials sells its wood panels online through Amazon, including its knotty pine wainscoting kit and its peel and stick paneling kits. IKEA has a product called a cover panel. This type of panel can be used on the sides of furniture or on walls. There are about 4 wood cover panels, not all of them are real wood. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.